Again, starting from the front door. To the left is the kitchen. The stainless steel appliances. Travertine backsplash. A nice big double window that overlooks the outdoor living area. A nice center island. This is the eat-in kitchen area. The kitchen also has a built-in desk area. This door is the door to the garage. There is also a coat closet. And as we turn the corner, this leads into the half bath. The pedestal sink. A nice utility room. Sorry, my thumb. With a sink and an ironing board. Ample hanging storage.